Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a React.js JSON formatter, validator, and Minify web application directly in the browser. I'm running it on localhost. It's a single page application which directly happens all the processing in the browser. The interface is quite simple. You basically come to the application and you can either upload a JSON file or basically paste a raw JSON. To get started, you can click this button or sample. It will paste a bunch of JSON right here. And then you have an option right here to actually format this by selecting whatever spaces, two spaces, four spaces, and click on this process button. And automatically on the right hand side, your JSON will be formatted. And then you can either click the copy to clipboard button or you can download this as a new JSON formatted new file. You can also change the formatting to four spaces and then click on. So now it will be formatted through four spaces. We also have the option to minify this as well. So it's an all-in-one JSON editor directly in the browser. So with the single click, you will able to download this as a formatted, and it also validates your JSON as well. So if you make any sort of mistake here, let's suppose you miss a bracket here, and click on this, so it will exactly tell you the error which is happening on position or line number. So after you fix that, so exactly you see this bracket is missing, so here you need to just add this bracket and then again click. So now the JSON is valid. So also you have an option right here to actually upload a JSON file as well. So you can select and upload a JSON file as well, and similarly repeat the process. If you want to format this, so automatically you can format this. So this is a full React.js project. So it's all the components are coded directly in JSX, as you can see. This is the main component. So I've given the source code in the description so you can directly purchase it. So once you purchase it, you will get this directory structure. It's coded inside latest version of React, as you can see 19. And this is the main file here, app.tsx. So we are running this project locally here. So simply you just need to run the command npm run dev. So this will start the local development server at localhost 3000. So it's a single page application. The interface is quite simple. Either you can upload or you can paste your raw JSON. After pasting it, you can simply format this or validate this or minify this with a single click. So it will do all the processing for you directly in the browser. It's a single page application. As you can see, it's really fast as well. So it's a professional JSON formatter, validator, and minifier that are developed in React.js. So if you're interested, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code. So this is the main file here, app.tsx in TypeScript. So this is a fully fledged React project. So once you get the source code, you will be able to modify the source code or add additional features as well. So it basically directly runs in the browser here. So I just shown you the demo here. We are running it locally. You can even deploy this to a domain name as well. So very simply. So the application is very fast and efficient as well. So all the processing directly happens in the browser. It's a single page application. So if you are interested, the link is given in the description.